now we'll be moving on to our pot for the what's ni tawag ani for the clay soil. Oh no. I'm gonna move on to our clay soil. So last night I was not able to measure all of this because I think it's hard, especially na once I measure it or maana na ko siya, makompress ang soil, kalisod na pud sila o grow. Kaya kuha naman ni silang giano tong I make the soil around them than before. So now we're going to check for our pot A. For the pot that don't have any magnet. Oh, it's up to 5.
Si Marcelina. Asa di ay? Wala po kay area. Sindana lang ka area. Wala po gidi. Mag-uban na ba na sila? Ano lang siya atong Domingo dito man sa Purok do. Lapo ang lagalo.
Mula ka mo sangkan sugo pud ko. Dali. Bato na niyo kanina sa kakaya sa.
Taas na daw kaayo, mahadlok daw sila.
7 or 8. Ay, 8. Ay.
Adila, wala daw siya butong.
Taas na daw kaayo ang kuan ba? Kuan sa lube ba hindi mahulog.
This one is up to 6. Into 6. Now we're gonna move on to our pot B. For our pot B, as you can see, there is naghang pang niyang katong sudlanan niya sa iyang seed. That's funny. Now we're going to measure it. I'm not sure accurate ba kung unsang kalamlumaan nila tanan kay diri lisod siya because manggod like ang dense jud ang anjud ang kanina soil. I'm going to measure it like this. And now it's up to 6. 6. 6 lagi. Oh, the other one is 6 also. So, we're gonna move on to our pot C. Ay, baka kilidanin nilang mga kuan. Pot C. Now, for pot C, you can see that it's already, sprout na siya, kabuksid. And it's already big and all. Now, I'm going to measure it. It's up to 9. The other one has already reached the 10. Sakto na siya nga 10. The other one is up to 7. So that would be all for our update on our seeds and soils. This is so nice.